Ever feel like you have amazing video ideas, but the thought of learning complicated editing software just drains all your energy? You're not alone. So many people get stuck at the editing stage, thinking they need to be some kind of tech wizard to create professional-looking videos. Well, what if I told you that you could create stunning, polished videos with practically zero editing skills? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick around, because today, I am pulling back the curtain on the world of AI video tools that are about to become your new best friend. We're going to transform your raw footage into cinematic gold, and you won't need to spend months learning how. First things first, let's talk about the biggest hurdle for new creators: the editing software itself. Traditional editors like Premiere Pro or Final Cut are incredibly powerful, but they have a steep learning curve. We're talking hundreds of buttons, timelines, effects, and panels. It's overwhelming. This is where AI video editors come in and completely change the game. Instead of you manually cutting clips, adding transitions, and color correcting, AI does the heavy lifting. You just provide the footage and the vision, and the AI acts as your personal editor. Let's dive into our first category: all-in-one AI video editors. These are platforms designed to take you from raw clips to a finished video with minimal effort. One of the biggest names in this space right now is Descript. What makes Descript so revolutionary is that it edits video like a text document. You upload your video, it automatically transcribes the audio, and then you can literally edit your video by deleting words from the transcript. Stumbled on a word? Just highlight and delete it, and the corresponding video and audio are gone. It's that simple. It also has a feature called Studio Sound which, with one click, makes your audio sound like it was recorded in a professional studio. It removes background noise and enhances your voice. For anyone doing talking head videos, tutorials, or podcasts, this is an absolute lifesaver. Another fantastic all-in-one tool is VDIO. VD is a browser-based editor, which means you don't need a powerful computer to run it. It has a super intuitive, drag-and-drop interface, but its AI features are where it truly shines. It can automatically generate subtitles for your videos, which is huge for accessibility and viewer retention, especially on social media. It also has tools for removing background noise, adding music that automatically matches the mood of your video, and even a one-click tool to remove your video's background without a green screen. Imagine filming in your messy room and instantly replacing the background with a sleek office or a beautiful landscape. That's the power of V. Now, let's move on to AI tools that are more specialized. Maybe you're happy with your basic editing skills, but you want to add some extra flair. Let's talk about AI for color grading and effects. Color grading is what gives a video its mood and professional look. It can be a very technical process, but tools like Color Lab AI are making it accessible to everyone. You can upload your footage, and the AI will analyze it and suggest color grades based on famous films or professional looks. You can even use a reference image, say a still from your favorite movie, and the AI will automatically match the color palette of your video to that image. It's like having a professional colorist on call, 24/7. What about audio? We all know that bad audio can ruin a great video. I mentioned Descript's Studio Sound, but there are dedicated tools that go even further. Adobe Podcast, which is currently free, has a feature called Enhanced Speech that is just You can record audio on your phone in a noisy cafe, run it through this tool, and it will sound like you were in a soundproof booth with a high-end microphone. It removes echo, background noise, and balances your audio levels. It seriously feels like magic. If you prioritize crystal clear audio, this tool is a must-have in your arsenal. Okay, so we've covered editing and audio. But what about the content itself? What if you're stuck for ideas or need a script? Yep, there's an AI for that too. Tools like Jasper or Copy AI can help you brainstorm video ideas, outline your content, and even write the entire script. You can give it a simple prompt, like write a YouTube script about the benefits of morning walks, and it will generate a detailed, engaging script for you. Of course, you'll want to review it and add your own personal touch, but it's an incredible way to overcome writer's block and speed up your content creation process. They can even help you write catchy titles and video descriptions to improve your video's visibility on the platform. Now let's talk about something really futuristic: AI-powered video generation. This is where things get wild. Tools like Synthesia or Heigen allow you to create videos with AI avatars. You just type a script, choose an avatar and a voice, and the AI generates a video of that avatar speaking your script. This is perfect for corporate training videos, announcements, or educational content where you might not want to be on camera yourself. The quality of these avatars is getting better every day, and they offer a huge range of languages and accents. It's a way to create high-quality, consistent video content at scale, without ever stepping in front of a camera. Another incredible AI video generation tool is Runway ML. Runway is like a creative suite of AI magic tricks. It has a text-to-video feature where you can type a description, like a drone shot flying over a futuristic city at sunset, and it will generate a short video clip of that scene. The possibilities are insane. You can use this to create barrel intros or abstract visual sequences that would have been impossible or extremely expensive to film. Runway also offers features like AI-powered motion tracking, background removal, and in painting, where you can literally remove objects from your video just by drawing a box around them. It's a playground for creative experimentation. So, let's recap how you can build a workflow using these tools. You start with your idea, maybe using Jasper to flesh it out and write a script. Then, you film your ARLL, your main talking footage. Don't worry about stumbles or background noise. You then bring that footage into a tool like Descript. You edit the text to perfect your delivery and use the one-click audio enhancement. Next, maybe you need some B-roll. You can generate some unique clips using Runway to visually illustrate your points. Then, you bring it all into an editor like Vid.io to add the B-roll, generate subtitles, and maybe add some background music. Finally, you run your final video through a tool like ColorLab AI to give it that professional, cinematic color grade. And there you have it, a complete, professional video created with a suite of AI tools that did almost all the technical work for you. The barrier to entry for creating high-quality video content has never been lower. You no longer need to spend thousands of dollars on equipment or years learning complex software. Your creativity is the only limit. The key is to start experimenting. Most of these tools offer free trials, so you can play around and see which ones fit your workflow best. Don't be afraid to jump in. The future of video creation is here, and it's more accessible and exciting than ever before. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has inspired you to start creating. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on leveraging AI to supercharge your content. Let me know in the comments which of these tools you're most excited to try. Now go out there and make something amazing.